In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer your credit card points to different airline and hotel programs. Hey everyone, I'm Oliver from Twin Finances, a channel where we talk about everything from personal finance to credit cards. In this example, I'll show you how to transfer your Chase points to Hyatt, and then I'll also show you how to transfer your American Express points into Air France. The first thing you need to do is create the hotel or airline account that you're trying to transfer to. So for example, if you're trying to transfer to Hyatt, you'll have to go on the Hyatt website and then create your Hyatt account there. Once you've created your Hyatt account, in the top right, select your name and you want to grab this number. You'll need it later to transfer your points. Once you have your Hyatt number, go back to the Chase website and then under the rewards, click the arrow here. And then from there, you want to select the travel dropdown and then select transfer points to partners. On this page, you'll be able to see all the different airline and hotel programs that Chase points transfer to. And you want to scroll down until you see Hyatt and select that and click transfer points. Here, this is where you want to enter that Hyatt number that we got earlier. And then once you put that in, select next. And then here, this is where you can put the amount of points that you want to transfer. Once you figured out how many points you want to transfer, you can do that here. So I'll go ahead and use 5,000 points as an example and click next. Here, you'll see a confirmation page, and I want to remind everyone that once you transfer the points to an airline or hotel program, you cannot get the points back. So you want to make sure that you're doing the correct amount here. And then so I'll go ahead and click submit. And then you'll see it'll take a couple seconds to load, but you should see a confirmation like this. Now that I've transferred my points, I'll go back to the Hyatt website, and I had about 3,600 points. So once I refresh it here, I should see that additional 5,000 points in my account. And you can see here, I have 8,600 points. Now that you know how to transfer your Chase points into Hyatt, you can start to look for some amazing deals. I've created a video that explains the whole process, so I'll drop a link in the description so you can check that out. Now, I'll show you how you can transfer your Amex points into your Air France account. Just like the Hyatt example, the first step is to create your Air France account. Even if you don't plan on transferring any points soon, I would go ahead and do this now. What I've seen happen before is that if you try to create an account the same day you want to transfer points, this can cause issues, so it's better to get out of the way now. Then, once you have your account, click on your name in the top right here and click on My Profile. Then, you want to make sure you grab this number here. You will need this later when you transfer your points into your Air France account. Now, we'll go back to the Amex website and then click on Rewards and Benefits. Then, you want to make sure you click on Earn and Redeem and then select Transfer Points. Again, this will show you all the different airline and hotel programs that the Amex points transfer to. Here, you can see I can select Air France here and transfer my points into my account. I want to note there's actually a 20% transfer bonus going on right now, which means you get even more value out of your points. But once you're ready to transfer your points, you can click Show Details here. You should see a screen similar to this. It might look a little different since I already linked my account, but go ahead and put your Air France number here, and then you can type in how many points you want to transfer, and then click Review Transfer. Once you click submit, you might have to get a security code texted to you, but once you confirm that, you should get a confirmation that looks like this. Now, if I go back to my Air France account and refresh the page, I should see those miles get updated here. Now that you know how to transfer your credit card points into your Air France account, you can start to look for some amazing deals on flights. I've created a whole step-by-step guide on how this whole process works, so I'll leave a link in the description, so feel free to check that out. Thanks for making it this far into the video. If you like the content, give it a like and subscribe for more.